In this lecture, we will introduce two new physical quantities, the decibel gain and bandwidth. We know that the gain is defined as the ratio of the electrical quantity, output electrical quantity to the input electrical quantity. Then it will represent mere number. For example, if we consider the power gain, the power gain is given by AP is equal to output power divided by input power, P out by P in, which represents mere a number, and this gain is called the ordinary power gain. Although the gain of a transistor amplifier can be expressed as a number, but it is of great practical importance in representing a unit to or assigning a unit to the gain of the transistor amplifier, and it is the unit used to represent the gain is called a bell. The bell power gain is defined as the common logarithm of power gain, that is the power gain in bell is equal to the common logarithm, that is logarithm to the base 10 of the power gain log AP, or log P out by P in to the base 10. This is called bell power gain. The common unit or practical unit to represent the gain is not bell, but it is decibel. We know that 1 decibel is equal to, it is expressed as dB is equal to 10 bell. So the power gain in decibel is given by 10 into logarithm of to the base 10 of the power gain, that is AP, which is equal to 10 log P out by P in. This one represents the basic unit of expressing the gain of a transistor amplifier, but it is expressed in terms of the power. Now if we consider the output power as P out is equal to V out square into R out, that is V square into RL, and P in, the input power is equal to V in square divided by R out, and V in square divided by R in, then the above equation can be expressed in terms of the voltage. So that is called a voltage gain in decibel, which is equal to 10 log, instead of P out we will substitute V out square divided by R out into divided by P in, that is V in square by R in, so it is R in divided by V in square. Now this can be expressed as 10 log to the base 10. I am not representing that base 10 because log usually represents the log common logarithm. So 10 log V out square divided by V in square into R in divided by R out. But we know that the input ratio of the input and output resistances of a common emitter transistor amplifier is almost comparable, and if we assume that R out is approximately equal to R in, then the expression for the voltage gain in decibel unit will be equal to 10 log V out divided by V in all square. This will be equal to 10 into 2 into log V out by V in, which is equal to 20 log V out by V in. The ratio of the output voltage to input voltage is called ordinary voltage gain, simply the voltage gain. So the voltage gain in decibel is given by 20 log AB. So this is the expression for the voltage gain in decibel. Now if we consider the same equation, that is the expression for the power gain in terms of the current, then we know that P out can be expressed as I out square into R out, and P in is equal to I in square into R in. So this expression, if we express the power gain in decibel in terms of the current, which we can call it as the current gain in decibel, is given by 10 log I out square into R out divided by I in square into R in, which is equal to 10 log. If we assume this R out and R in are almost the same or comparable, then this equation will be I out divided by I in all square. So this equation will yield 20 log I out divided by I in, the output current divided by the input current, which is equal to 20 log the current gain, ordinary current gain, which is for the common emitter transistor amplifier, it is represented by beta. So the current gain in decibel is represented by 20 log beta in decibel. So these are the units of different gain, the power gain, voltage gain and current gain in terms of the decibel. So I am again rewriting those equations again, once again. The power gain in decibel unit is given by, that is power gain in decibel unit is 10 log AP. The voltage gain, that is AV in decibel, is given by, remember it is 20 log AV, and current gain in decibel unit is given by 20 log the ordinary current gain. Now let's see the details of this equation. Suppose the power gain of a transistor amplifier is, ordinary power gain of a transistor amplifier is 10, let's say. Suppose this AP has been increased to a new value AP prime by a factor of 10, or it is increased by a factor of 10, that is the new power gain AP prime become 10 times AP. That means the new power gain become 100. Now the corresponding increase in decibel gain is given by, increase in decibel gain is given by the final gain in decibel, that is AP prime in decibel minus AP in decibel, that is AP prime is 10 log AP prime, that is minus 10 log AP, which we will get it as 10 log AP prime is 100 minus 10 log 10, which is equal to log 100 is 2, so 2 into 10 is 20, minus 10, log 10 is 1, so 10 into 1 is 10, so we will get as 10 dB. So when there is a increase in the ordinary power gain by a factor of 10, the corresponding increase in decibel gain is 10 decibel only. That means here when AP increases from 10 to 100, then AP in decibel increases from 10 to 20 only. So that is the detail we can get from the expression of power gain in decibel. If we consider the same thing for the voltage gain, that means consider a circuit with a voltage gain, let's say equal to 10, and the voltage gain has been increased to a new value AV prime as let's say 100, that is the 10 times the initial voltage gain. That means the ordinary voltage gain is voltage gain is increased by a factor of 10, that is it is increased 10 times. Then the corresponding increase in decibel gain is given by AV prime in decibel minus AV in decibel, which is equal to 20 log 100 minus 20 log 10, which will give us 40 minus 20, that is 20 decibel. So when the ordinary voltage gain is increased by a factor of 10, then the corresponding increase in decibel gain is only 20 decibel. So when the ordinary voltage gain becomes 100 from 10, then the corresponding decibel gain become 30 decibels from 10 decibel. Sorry, 20 decibel to 40 decibel. Sorry for that. So the increase is by only 20 decibel. Now the importance or the relevance of expressing the gain of a transistor amplifier in terms of bell or decibel is that or a human here response is logarithmic. That means if we increase the intensity of the sound by a factor of 100, then the corresponding loudness of the sound heard by the observer will be increased by 2 only. That means the loudness of the sound heard by ear is not according to the intensity of sound, but according to the log of intensity of the sound. That means if the intensity has been increased by 100 times, then the loudness of heard by the ear will be only 2. or 2 times. So that is one of the important thing for which we are expressing the gain of the transistor amplifier in terms of the decibel. The another thing is that first one is human ear response is logarithmic. So when we increase the intensity, the loudness heard by the ear will be the logarithm log of the increase in factor or log of the intensity of the sound. So that means if the intensity is increased by a factor of 100, then the loudness heard by the ear is only log 100, that is only 2 times. So that's why we are expressing the gain in terms of the logarithmic unit, that is the bell or decibel. The another reason is that if we consider the multi-stage amplifier, suppose 2 stages are there, then ordinary gain is given by the product of the 2 gains G1 into G2, or the voltage gain is given by V3 by V1, which is equal to V3 by V2 into V2 divided by V1. Now the same gain in decibel is given by 20 log V3 by V2 into V2 divided by V1, which is equal to 20 log V3 by V2 plus 20 log V2 by V1, since log AB is log A plus log B. So this is equal to 20 log V3 by V2 is G1 in decibel plus G2 V2 by log 20 log V2 by V1 is G2 in decibel. So the gain in decibel for a multi-stage amplifier is the sum of the individual gains. If we are expressing gain in ordinary number, then the net gain of a multi-stage amplifier is the product of the gains of the individual stages. But if we are expressing the gain in decibel, the gain in decibel is the sum of the decibel gains of the individual stages, and we know that it is far easy to add than multiply. For these 2 reasons, we are expressing the gain of the transistor amplifier in terms of the logarithmic unit or in decibel. Thank you.